Hey, what's up, Speakophiles? Wellington here, and welcome to this quick video. So as we all know, this is the Partybox 100. It has two sound modes, the regular mode and the bass boost mode. In this video, we're going to be trying to find out what the main difference is between the two modes, the regular mode or standard mode and the bass boost mode. And the main reason I'm here is just to let you know that for the best sound experience, I'm going to be using a high quality binaural microphone. So for the best sound experience, make sure you're using headphones, like some pretty good headphones, because the bass that comes out of here is pretty big. If you just use your speakers on your phone, you probably won't get what this thing is actually putting out. And also, if you would like to support the channel and you like what you see, I will link to my merch where you can find this shirt, this sweatshirt that's actually really comfy, and a lot other cool designs over at my merch store. But let's get into it. And there you have it. What do you guys think? I think it does what it says. It boosts up the upper end of bass. So it's not like faking bass, like upper bass or something like that. It's actually lifting the lower end of the sound spectrum. So it does sound pretty good. I have a feeling if you're someone who loves bass, you're probably going to keep this in bass mode. And the cool thing about it is that it doesn't actually cut out the highs or the mids. They basically stay the same. The only thing that is affected when you turn the bass boost on is literally, at least for my listening, is just the lower end. Just bass is mainly affected, which is something that is really nice. Sometimes on some speakers, when you turn bass boost on, they cut out the highs or reduce the mids, and then they bump up, upper bass and something like that. But this is actually good. I'm actually really impressed by the performance of bass boost. And yeah, again, like I said, if you like the merch that you see me wearing here, I'll leave the link to my merch store. If you're new here, please subscribe. And I'm working on other videos. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Wait, you want some more? Oh, okay.
okay.